Hey, everyone, Mortgage Nerd here. So I just got off the phone with a veteran because I sent out some letters to veterans in Florida and in Texas regarding VA refinance, the IRRRL, IRRRL, that I made a video on the other day. Problem is that we as veterans get letters from these large companies throughout the country all the time. And it's someone in the call center and they're trying to refinance you. They'll tell you whatever they have to tell you to make their commission. This guy is being told that he could take his 5.875 rate and drop it. I said, you know, if you're not going to pay points to drop that rate into the fours, you're going to have to pay $5,000, $7,000, $8,000 in closing costs. He says, really? And they didn't tell me that. I said, yes, of course. There's doc stamps and tangible tax. There's title insurance, there's recording fees. There's a lot of costs associated with any mortgage closing. You want to add points on top of that, more closing costs, double the closing costs maybe to get your rate down 1%. When if we rate 3, 6, 9 months, not sure exactly how long it's going to be, but it's coming soon, then we can get that rate down into the fours without having to pay those extra costs. Maybe I can pay some of his costs down to make it more feasible or more palatable, whatever you want to call it. The feeling I got after this call, which is why I wanted to shoot this video in my car without good audio, is that, you know, I forget that me doing the right thing for my fellow veterans is a true service. And it makes me feel good that at the very least, even though a lot of them are getting scammed by these large companies that have the word veteran in their company name, they have one of the military branches in their company name, but all they have is these salespeople in the front lines that'll do whatever they can to line their pockets. And at the very least, there's some people out there, at least like me, that are trying to truly take care of the veterans and do what's right for them. This guy's struggling to make his payment. And I'm like, listen, man, do what you can. Make that monthly payment on all your debts. And as soon as we have this opportunity to skip 2 payments, which really means that you're just rolling in the interest for the 2 payments into your new loan amount, and you just provide you some relief. They can pull out like $2,000 at closing. They can also lower their interest rate. So all these things can provide them a little bit of relief at some point here in the process. And, you know, just, hey man, hang on, we're going to get you there. So it's great that my new campaign is finally starting to get people calling me, and it's exactly the type of people I want to talk to, the ones that are being misled by these large call centers. And it is very fulfilling, and I'm looking forward to it. On the business side, I need my business to pick up too. So when you serve others and you do right by others, it all comes back tenfold. Mortgage Nerd out.